Divination tools, history and uses of divining rods and pendulums. The history. The process of dowsing originated in Germany in the 15th century. It was used to find buried minerals. The practice uses a branched wooden stick, a dowsing rod, to locate water or minerals. This is known as dowsing or divining. It has also been called water witching in some areas of the United States. Traditionally, the dowsing rod was a forked branch held by the individual with the pointed stem of the branch facing away from the individual. The dowser, the individual seeking the water or minerals, holds the pointed stem away from the body. The pointed stem then pulls or bends downwards towards the find. Modern day dowsers will often use L-shaped rods. Some of the rods are constructed by plastic or glass. An alternative form of dowsing is using a crystal or a metal pendulum. There are different types of divining rods. There are pendulums, weighted, suspended from a chain, a cord, or a string, which swings in different directions in responses to questions. You can create a pendulum out of various items. An example, a simple string with a paper clip can create a pendulum. Bobbers or dowsing wands. These are single rods with a weighted end that bobs up or down or across, moving in responses to questions. An L rod is a pair of rods that we hold in each of our hands that are considered to be more reliable, for they swing in or out. And a wide Y rod is the type of divination tool that was made from the forked branch. They're held in each hand, and then there's a rod going out that moves in response to questions and energies. If you've ever worked with these tools, you can find these to be very helpful. We play with these divination tools in our October Psychic Development Program, and you can find out more information or check it out on our websites, www.discoveryourspiritualgifts.com or www.violetrayne.com. Now, there are many uses of pendulums. Individuals use pendulums for many reasons. Maybe you've lost something and you want to find it again. So is it in this room? Is it in this closet? Is it in this dresser? You might test items, meaning is this still good or has it expired? Is it good to use? You can use it to answer questions, to determine a direction or a choice. You can use it to move energy. Pendulums that are moved clockwise are moving energy in the room. Pendulums that are moved counterclockwise are taking energy out of the room. There are many different types of pendulums, including crystal, metal, or wood. They are used for specific reasons. I have pendulums everywhere in my home and workspace. I love to use them for confirmation, choices, and guidance. We always work with our pendulums by programming and setting our intentions before using them as a tool. You might want to make sure that you understand how to work with them properly so that you get the highest and best information.